Hello everyone, welcome to Edurself. In this video, I will show you how you can create beautiful YouTube thumbnails completely for free. So right after you watch this video, from now onwards, you no need to spend a single rupee to get your YouTube thumbnails ready by someone. Alright, so I don't want to waste any of the time and I want to get into point directly. So if you are on your mobile phone or maybe on your laptop, directly navigate to Google and you have to search for Canva and then you have to click enter. Now here we can see the Canva website, and inside the Canva website we will be able to create beautiful YouTube thumbnails completely for free. And I want to open this particular website and I want to click on start designing, or maybe if you are new to Canva and if you want to create more thumbnails from now onwards, then it is always good for you to click on login. And once you have clicked on login, you have to click on continue with Google and then you have to select the right Gmail account. Alright, and since I have already have a Canva account, I want to close this particular window, and here I have my Canva account. Now once we have landed on the Canva homepage, all we have to do is we have to click on this particular option, which is YouTube thumbnail. Or if you do not find this option, you can make an use of the search bar and you have to search for YouTube thumbnail and then you have to click on enter. Now here we can see that there are a lot of preloaded templates given by Canva which are completely free. All we have to do is we have to choose the right template and then we have to customize that particular template. If there is a text, we can edit the text. If there is an image, we can edit the image. If there are any elements, we can either delete them, we can add them, we can replace them, and it is completely customizable. Or also if you want to design a new thumbnail completely from scratch, we can choose this option. Now I want to give you an example, which means I want to choose any one of the good thumbnail from this particular thing. Alright, maybe I want to click on show more. I want to scroll down a little bit and then let me choose any one of the best thumbnail. Now in my case, I want to choose this particular thing, how to fix a failed business, and then I want to click this particular thumbnail and then I want to choose customize this template. Always remember that as soon as we choose any one of the template, Canva will give us a similar templates. Maybe if we choose or if we like any other templates, we can directly choose from that particular template. Got it? Now I want to choose customize this template and then a new tab has been opened, and here we can see the preloaded template has been created and we can completely customize this particular template in the way that we want instead of creating a new YouTube thumbnail from the scratch. I want to enter this particular text, how to create, and here I want to change the font or maybe the text to YouTube thumbnail, and then I want to type it. As we can see, we have directly updated the text. All we have to do is we have to do a double click with the mouse so that we can make edits in the way that we want. And also the best part about the Canva is we can customize the font from this font to another font. But since it is a preloaded template, it is not good for us to make the changes because it looks good for us. If we want, we can even modify the colors. We can choose this particular option and then we can move it to yellow or maybe pink or brown, but I want to keep it white, so let me keep it as it is. Okay, and once it is done, I do not want this guy, and in this particular place I want to keep my image. And also if you are designing thumbnail for your YouTube maybe channel, you can upload your images directly either from your mobile phone or maybe directly from your laptop. How you can do that? So from the left side we do have an option. We have to choose uploads and then we have to click on upload files. Let me choose upload files, and here from my laptop I want to choose this particular option, and once we have choose, we have to click on open. Now here we can see the image has been uploaded to Canva. Now before we keep this image onto the thumbnail, I want to choose this particular element which is movable, which is editable. I want to click on delete on my keyboard so that the image has been deleted. Now it is the time for me to drag and drop the image of mine exactly here. And then since it is an image, I want to delete the background. I want to remove the background. And here you might face a little bit of difficulty because Canva offers a pro version, which means if we purchase the Canva, we will be able to remove the image background directly from Canva. We do have an option called background remover. If I click on this option, just within 1 to 2 seconds of time, the background of the image will be removed and we can find a PNG of our photo. Since you do not have a pro Canva, what you have to do, you have to navigate to a new tab, then you have to navigate to Google, and it is very simple. All you have to do is you have to search for background remover and you open any one of the website. There are a lot of free websites where you can upload your images, where you can remove the background by making an use of those websites. So it will maybe expand or extend your time for 1 to 2 minutes of time to remove your background. And once you have removed the background of your own image, you can download to your PC, and once it has been downloaded to your PC or laptop, you can come to Canva and then you can upload the background removed image. It is very simple. And also always remember that we can completely play along with the images. Now I want to keep a little bit high, but since I can see the text came onto the top, I want to send the text backward. What I have to do, I want to change the position of these elements. When I say element, we can call this as element, we can call this one as element, we can call my image as an element, we can call this one as element. So we have to change the positions. How are we going to do that? Now let me click on this particular element. I want to send it back. Now on the top we do have an option called position. Let me click on that, and I want to send this element one step backward. So let me choose this particular option. It is very simple. And also maybe I want to move myself a little bit right, or if it is not good, what I want to do, I want to choose this element. Maybe I want to reduce a little bit of font size. I want to keep it as it is. Now I want to add a glow right beside me. What I have to do, so we do have an option called elements on the left side, and here we can either search for images, we can search for graphics, we can search for sizes, a lot of things, charts, frames, audio, grids, tables, videos, stickers, shapes, everything. Now I want to add a glow, so let me search with the keyword glow, and here we can see under the graphics there are a lot of glows, out of which I want to choose this one, and then I want to move it exactly here, and then I want to elaborate a little bit. Now the glow came onto my face, which is not good. I want to send the glow right beside my image, which means I want to click on position and then I want to click on backward. It is simple. Now the glow has been went beside my photo. Now if I really feel that this particular template is good, I can directly click on share and then I can click on download. And here we do have lot of file formats. We can download the thumbnail in JPG format, PNG format, PDF, but we have to choose PNG and then we have to click on download. It is very simple. All it will take is only 3 to 5 or 10 seconds of time, and then the image will be downloaded to our laptop. Now once it has been downloaded, we have to click on show in folder and then we have to double click on the image, and here we can clearly see the beautiful thumbnail which we have created using Canva completely for free within 5 minutes of time. If you really find this video helpful, I want you to, maybe if you really find, you can subscribe to my channel, because I will be posting a lot of informative and useful videos completely in short. And then I will see you in the next video shortly. Thank you so much. See you.